Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to actually download and play Fortnite on your mobile device, because as of now Fortnite has been deleted from the App Store. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. As you can see here, you first need to open up your browser and Google Epic Games Fortnite Mobile. Now from here we scroll down till you see the Epic Games Store. Now we're going to open up the Epic Games Store, and from out there we're going to load the store into our browser. Now here you already see a pop-up, play on mobile. Play Fortnite on your mobile device with the Epic Games Store app. Simply press install. And as you can see here, the app installation has been cancelled. Now we're going to do this in our settings. We need to change something. So simply close down the browser, press OK, close down the browser, go down in your settings of your iPhone. And here in the first option, you see allow apps from Epic Games inclusive. Now we press this, and here we simply see all the terms and press allow. Now here use your Face ID, and now it is allowed. Now you can go back to the installation process and press install again. Now what will happen, as you can see, we can install the app marketplace. So simply install it, the Epic Games marketplace, and right now it is installed. Now from out the Epic Games marketplace, you simply accept the user terms, and here you can see the first option, which is Fortnite. Simply press install, and from out there we can install the application, use the Face ID, and now the application is officially installing, as you can see right here. Now it is easy as that. And from out there, once it has been installed, you simply sign into Epic Games and you can start playing Fortnite on your iPhone or Android again. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.